How to turn off voice and video call on Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Messenger application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, tap on any of the profile to turn off the voice and video call on Facebook Messenger. Then tap on the eye icon at the top right corner of the screen and then scroll down. As you scroll down, you can see the option of notifications and sound over here, so tap on it. So here you can see the option of notifications and sound, which is toggled on. Now you can just toggle off the options on the calls option. So toggle off this option for calls and tap on until I change it. Then tap on OK. Then tap on customize notifications. And as you tap on customize notification, you'll be able to tap on the sound and vibration as well. You can select a different ringtone for this one, or you can just toggle on of any of the ringtone options. So you can just tap on toggling off allow floating notifications and vibrations, and there you will be able to turn off your voice and video call on Facebook Messenger. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.